Pahari ET exam, 2019 Odisha Teachers Eligibility Test, 2023 Odisha Staff Selection Examination, 2016 Karnataka UC, and very recently Jharkhand Public Service Commission, irregularities in combined service. Now the suggestion is to come to the current, yes. So 2026, current year, Punjab Pharmacy Officer Recruitment Scam. So this is latest.
Please.
And even more recent, Karnataka Veterinary Officers leakage.
Please, I will take care of you, please, Biden. Please. Nothing will go on record except the minister's speech.
So I'm glad that I'm glad the enthusiastic response from the opposition is a testimony to the fact that you have acknowledged what I have said. And therefore, you would also acknowledge the justification behind bringing the 2024 bill and the amendment today. Broadly speaking, Chairman Sir, in this country we have 4 main recruitment agencies, namely the UPSC, the Staff Selection Commission, the Railway Recruitment Board, and the Institute of Banking Personnel. And for admission to higher educations, now you have National Testing Agency. And my next sentence is again going to excite some of the honorable members on the other side. The irony is that the first time the suggestion for setting up a national agency came way back in 1992, almost 33 years back. It was a Congress government at the center. A series of committees were formed. And in UPA 2 in 2010, again a very strong suggestion from one of the committees set up by them came to set up a national testing agency. I'm sure they will appreciate and be grateful and thank Prime Minister Modi that the unfinished task and unfinished agenda left by UPA is being completed and brought to conclusion by the NDA. And therefore,
please take your seat.
And therefore, in an honest bid,
please take your seat. Don't get agitated.
in an honest bid to carry forward what could have been carried forward by the earlier governments, the Public Examination Bill 2024 was brought in January 24. It was enacted in February 24, implemented in June, and also notified in June 24. The bill's main objectives at that time were to give greater transparency.
Honorable member, please
Yes.
take your seat.
Yes, that is precisely the reason you didn't bring the bill. Because
Pawan Karaji, you go back to your seat, please.
the bill
Pawan Karaji, you
sought to
please
bring
go back to your
greater
seat,
transparency, greater credibility. And I'm not saying this. There is a strong opinion in this country that this agency was not brought in because there were certain vested interests involved, and which were not compatible with transparency. But here it was a noble thought to reassure the youth that their sincere and genuine efforts would not go unrewarded in the hands of a few vested interests, and to ensure that their future would not be jeopardized by self-seeking.
Jairam Ramesh, your
governments
party is
of the
having
day.
sufficient time. You can give notes to
The
your
more-
speakers and you
the
can
more
speak
you
also.
oppose,
Please wait.
the
You
more
please
you
take your
admit
seat. Pawan
that you had a
Pawan
reason
Karaji, you take
of
your
not
seat.
bringing it national testing
No
agency
running commentary,
for
please.
33 years. Just as they took 70 years to erase out Article 370, which was their commitment, they took 33 years not to bring in National Testing Agency. And now that this is being brought, the clamor is not against the bill. The clamor is against that interest which is going to get compromised hereafter.
You are the protectors of paper leak mafia. That's what
Yes.
This will not go on record. The running commentaries will not
very
go on
fact.
record. Only the minister's speech will go on record.
The government's intention is evident from the fact that
You
the
can speak
moment
everything when you
the recent leak was
when
reported.
you are going to speak. When your turn is coming, why you are giving running commentary, please? Minister, please.
Yes. No, I don't get disturbed. In fact, I feel complimented. That means it is touching the right chord. सही जगह पे निशाने पे तीर लग रहा है. कि मैं ये स्मरण कराने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं कि 33 साल तक जो ये काम ना कर सके वो आज अंजाम होने जा रहा है. लेकिन मुझे यकीन है इस देश में कुछ ऐसे भी कुछ बुद्धिजीवी थिंकर होंगे जो इसका भी आकलन करेंगे कि 33 साल वो क्या कारण थे जिस कारण से ये नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी स्थापित ना की गई. वो कौन से वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट थे, वो कौन से मैनेजमेंट कोटा थे कॉलेजों के. And as far as the recent case is concerned, immediately it was handed over to the CBI. It is being followed as per the Prevention of Unfair Means. And day 4 yesterday, the charge sheet was filed. And I'm glad to share that from yesterday, the trial has begun. As per this new law, the investigation will be complete in 2 months, followed by trial in 3 months, 5 mahine. We did not allow indefinitely running trials